1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, Czerny number 4. Check it out. This is ledger lines 2. Remember ledger lines 1? This is ledger lines 2. Looks like we're going to have to review some things here. Look at this. A lot more ledger lines than before, but don't be intimidated because, tell you a secret, this one is always C. You see 2 ledger lines, right? Above the treble clef, that's always a C. Well, if you know that that's a C, what's one step above C? It goes up 1, it's now D. You go up another 1, it's now E. You know how to go up 1 step. You've done that. You were in Czerny number 1. You've done that, you're in Czerny number 4. It's easy peasy now. And look at this. Since you know patterns so well, this is the same as that. Right? And then you look at this. What's this? A 1 step above that? Easy. If I know E and then I know F. Okay? So instead of reading the note, I know there's so many different ledger lines here, you're just gonna read the distance from one note to the next, from one note to the next, from one note to the next, and then it's going all the way up. Okay? Once you've gotten to the point, you know, you're gonna also layer on the understanding that, oh, okay, I know that that's an F every time I see it because I see 3 lines and the space above it is an F. I see 5 lines and that's a G, right? That's okay. You know, you'll get there one day, right? But right now, just read the distance from one to the next, one to the next. Save yourself that time. Take the shortcut, all right? Left hand, same thing. First one, this one here, 2 ledger lines. Well, we know 1 ledger line in the middle of everything is middle C, right? So we know that if I C, I go up to the on the third, that means it's an E. So 2 ledger lines is an E. This one's a C, right? Skip up, that's an E, okay? And if I did E and I skip up, that's just G, right? You can tell the difference, right? If I just skip my D, my 4th finger, and I can skip my 2nd finger, then you get to the other one. Those are thirds. You're good at reading the steps and the skips, which are you're reading at seconds and you're reading thirds. This is a second, 1, 2, okay? This is a third, 1, 2, 3, right? So you can read thirds now. That's no problem to you. Now I want you to be careful of one thing over here. Looking over here, you have what looks like it is the same notes, but it's not. In the right hand, in the treble clef, you have C. In the left hand, you have something different. In the left hand, because we know that middle C lies on the first line, this one is an E, okay? So you gotta make sure you don't make that mistake. All right, and immediately, as you look to the next bar right here, this one is 3 lines, okay? If you look down here, this guy is 3 lines. That's a G, okay? That's a G. So if that's a G, what's over here? Well, if you're looking down here and you suddenly look up again, you might think that that's an F or something. But remember, your first line is A, your second line is C. What's above C? It is D, okay? So give yourself that time to look ahead and give yourself that time when you're sight reading to find where you might need to read differently, okay? And give it another color maybe. So give yourself that and prepare ahead. Here we go. We're gonna count this in. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's perfect for you to understand here because now you see that this is a C, just like the one above there, but this one is C as well. This one's middle C. Okay, so lots of tricky things going on in number 4. If you need to take your time and go slowly, you want to go 1, 2. Oh no, that's the wrong one to start with because I'm looking at C up here. This is an E down here. It's trying to trick you. So don't let it trick you. You're too smart for that. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going slow because it takes the time. You can verify the note before you go 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to go even slower than that. That's totally fine. 100% accuracy, then you increase the speed, and that's how we improve. Okay? Read ahead, find the patterns, and then you will be able to read more notes. You'll be able to read faster and learn pieces way faster than you thought you could ever do. Okay? Once you're ready, post your recording in the group for us to give you some feedback, help you get where you need to go. And I will see you in the next video, Czerny number 5. All right? Czerny number 5, almost there. Here we go. See you in the next one.